Grr. It's been a while, hey? It's been a long time. Well, ladies and gents, welcome back to the Dot and Nose channel. I hope you guys are doing good. It's your boy again, KG. Eita-Hola, Eita-Hola. Well, I like to send a shout out to my brother, Makenzo. He asked me to do a video on how to install or activate your Microsoft Office. All right. So as you can see in the description box down there below, I provided links where you can download Microsoft Office 2021 KM Spigo as well as Microsoft Office 2013, which we will be doing a tutorial on today. Well, first of all, I've uninstalled Microsoft 365 in on a laptop that I was using to do the video, and my laptop has been giving me some hard time. I've installed Windows 11, so I'm just trying to learn my ways around it. Please bear with me. I'll provide a tutorial on the what is this called? I'll provide a video basically on Windows 11 as a whole and its features, and provide you guys with a link. Like I said in the description box down below, I've provided a link where I've uploaded those Microsoft packages on Mega Platform to make it easier for you guys. All right. I'm gonna be providing a video on also how to install Microsoft Office 2021, and it's just that at the moment it needs a password. I forgot the password. I need to go and find where I downloaded Microsoft Office 2021 for you guys, and in that video I'll provide a password in the description box. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, and without wasting any further time, let's dig and dive in. So yeah, ladies and gents, as I've said in the introduction, I've already uninstalled the Microsoft 365 in that comes with Windows once you have bought your laptop. All right, but just to run through some of the processes so that you can be familiar and do the necessary procedures, or uninstall and install whatever it is that needs to be installed so that you can have your buttons activated in your Microsoft Office package as a whole. All right. So first thing first, I'm just gonna show you how to uninstall. I have a video on my channel on how to uninstall software programs. So basically what you will do, I'm just gonna run through it again for those that didn't watch that video. You will type in Control Panel on the search text box using your keyboard. All right, pardon me for that, for those spelling errors. Then you will just hit the Control Panel app. You will go to Programs, and then just underneath Programs you will see the Uninstall a Program link or wording there, which you will left click on, and then it will show you this kind of screen. All right, your screen will look like this. Then you will just look for Microsoft Office 365 in, or whatever Microsoft that you currently have, Microsoft Office. All right, usually it's a logo, like a square logo in a 3D type of manner, and it's orange in color. Then you will just hit the Microsoft Office as I did, and then you will just uninstall the program. Then it will ask you if you really want to uninstall the program. Then you will just say yes and continue with the instructions, and it will tell you once it's uninstalled. If it needs you to restart your PC, do so. I recommend that you restart your PC. All right, so in this video, like I said, we'll be installing Microsoft Office 2013. But before we go ahead and install the Microsoft Office 2013, there's something that I want to show you. All right, please pay careful attention because you're gonna need this as part of the video. All right, and follow this process. All right, you will go to your Windows button at the left bottom corner, or also known as the start button. Right click on that start button, go to your settings. Once you have tapped on the settings option there by the list provided, you will see a pop-up screen, and you will go to update and security where my mouse is pointed at. All right, never mind the Windows isn't activated. I'm just utilizing another laptop. My laptop is a bit messed up, and I just installed Windows 11, so I'm currently learning some of the aspects. I'll provide a tutorial on Windows 11. All right, and then you will go to the left panel where you will see Windows Security. Left click on it, and on your right screen you will see that there is Windows Security. You will just go down. Yours will not look like this, it will look like this. All right, it will have a right mark or a Nike mark with a green background, whilst mine has this. So we need to get yours to have this cross, red cross. All right, white cross with a red background. All right, then you will just left click on that option of virus and threat protection. Then you will just go down, just follow my mouse, and then you will go to manage your settings. All right, now you will see with your screen it will be blue. The buttons will be activated into a blue color, something like this. All right, let me just say yes over here. There will be a pop-up screen. If you don't see it, it's just a pop-up screen that says do I really want to activate or switch on the real-time protection. Then I just clicked yes. So basically this is what your button will look like. Then you will just tap on it and it will be off. All of them must be off. All right, the reason being is that we're gonna install a software that will basically activate your Microsoft Office 2013, which is called KM Spigo. All right, and normally they do come with viruses, hence I switch off the virus protection so that it can be activated. It won't do any harm to your PC. It's just one of the shortest ways or cheapest ways or free ways, so to say, as we people like free stuff, to activate your Windows as well as your Microsoft Office. All right, then we'll just go ahead. I hope you downloaded the Microsoft Office 2013. As you can see in the description box, I provided a link. Go ahead and download it if you haven't downloaded it yet. All right, then I'm just gonna go to USB. It won't be the same procedure with you guys because with me, basically, like I said, my laptop is messed up, so I'm using another laptop. So I just retrieved the Microsoft Office Professional 2013 from my laptop. All right, then you will open the file from your downloads section right here. Let me just go there. So you will see a folder stipulating Microsoft Office Professional 2013, and you will just open it up, go to the setup, double click on setup, and then just confirm that you really want to install it by clicking on the yes option. And then we'll just go back right here, and we'll go down there and open up this screen of Microsoft Office 2013 Professional Plus. Don't customize it, rather install the standard, and then it will install. All right, Now once it has fully installed, you will install what we call KMSpeaker, as you can see right here. All right, so long as it's installing, down at the description box there's a link for KMSpeaker. You will just go ahead and double click on the folder, then again double click on the folder provided and go to the install. Just follow the procedure. Double tap on the setup as well so that it can install whilst the Microsoft Office 2013 is installing. Click on the yes option just to say yes, I fully agree that I want to install KMSpeaker. Then click on the next button, follow the procedure, accept the agreement, next again, then next again, and then it will install the KMSpeaker. Now once it's installed, it will be able to help you activate your Windows. Like as you can see right here, it says activate Windows. Go to your settings to activate Windows, as well as your Microsoft Office package as a whole in terms of Microsoft Office 2013 Professional Plus. All right, now I'm gonna go down here and open up this one to see how far the progress is. All right, then I can see that it's going, it's good. All right, you can fast forward the video, you don't have to wait for me until the installation is done. All right, just fast forward the video. I'm just waiting for it to finish up. Now the purpose of me for switching off the virus protection, like I said, is for KMSpeaker to run. Now if ever I did not do that, then this whole setup would have been deleted. All right, it's a virus on itself. Now with antiviruses, just so that you know, it's not like it protects anything. It's basically a database that stores viruses that you might come in contact with. All right, it does not literally say, hey, we're removing the virus for you. No, it's just a software that basically stores and protects your PC from getting harmed. All right, now as you can see down there below, KMSpeaker is done. Let's just look at the Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2013. Let's close that folder, and then let me just go down here and open up this. All right, then we can close up the settings and be left with the Windows security as well as the Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2013. All right, now as you can see at the right bottom corner right there, the activation is gone. I think it recognized the KMSpeaker, but then I'll just show you how to activate this program. Pardon me for that. Hey, this video is long, eh? Alright, then you can just click on the close button. Now when you go to your Windows and left click on it, the Windows button at the left bottom corner, just scroll down right there. All right, let's scroll down. You can see that we have Windows Office 2013 installed, but now we're having an issue of basically activating it. All right, now you will go to your KMSpeaker as installed, then you will just go underneath the auto pico and click on the KM's pico itself. You want to open it, click on yes, the yes button. Then you will have the screen that will pop up in a bit. All right, let me just check again.
Automatic defense procedure.
There we go. Now you'll have this small screen, and basically what will happen is that you will see the Windows package, or basically the Windows logo there, as well as your Microsoft Office. Then you will just click on that red button.
Affirmative.
Then your Windows is activated,
program complete,
as well as your Microsoft Office package as a whole. As you can see down there, we don't have the activate option any longer, right? Then once that is done, you will go back to your virus and threat protection settings, and then just switch on the buttons that we have switched off, just so that KM's pico can be able to get installed, right? So ladies and gents, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll provide a tutorial on Microsoft Office 2021 as a video on its own, but it will be the very same procedures, just that with the extraction file it will be very different. Remember to share, like, and subscribe to this channel, and even if you have any trouble or any challenges with computerized skills, I've left all my contact details down below. And yeah, see you in the next video, ladies and gents. Adios.